Alright, ke bafethu umhla ka-9 August 2026, episode 6, Married at First Sight uMzansi. I don't know where to start. I absolutely do not know where to start, but let's just start here. So the theme of the show, episode 6, was that my couples are gonna meet up with family members and friends. I believe the previous episode we got to my friends, so we are continuing on that, and they're also gonna be meeting my family members. All right, so let's start off with Uban. Let's start off with Lauren and Ebron. Quite an emotional episode because laphayana bahlangane nabangani. Right, so let's start off with bahlangane nabangani, particularly abangani bamfowethu nabangani bakhe usis uLauren. Usisi kufike nomngane oyedwa. Lo mngane oyedwa upheke uObren la ibhode encane. Emuthi ngembuzo. Not so much, but she wanted to know ukuthi izingane zakhe zimi kanjani, ingane engakhi nawo konke lokho achazayo bandle ubhuti ukuthi hayo ingane engaka kanjani. Has he informed ingane zakhe ukuthi sesimene sikanje wathi akafisa ukufaka izingane noma bengane akaboni ukuthi sikhona isidingo sibakwazi lokho ukuthi useshadile, married at first sight nayo yonke lento part of experiment kanje yabo. And uyambona umngani kaLauren ukuthi kahle akamfundi umjida. That one was just evidently was no man. She absolutely doesn't like him. And to his defense, Obren Utena, the reason why I Zake is because of keep the drama. He would rather avenge when the time comes, obviously, that's on the side, fine. But later on, bandla-ke ubhuti ebekade eney'londa ey'thile went esibhedlela engathola ukuthi lezi y'londa might lead up to an amputation of his leg, but fortunately enough that it did not happen, and uzoyithola medication abe right. So thank God for that. Let's go past that. Mase siya ku king of lifestyle uLithabo. Umjide bekade exolisa phela after the start sakhe sokunyamalala azobuya ekuseni. Lo mjide ushadile, but unesikhathi sokunyamalala. He made a grand gesture. He decorated the kitchen with rose petals, the meals, and he gave his wife a large bouquet of red flowers. Wow. Boom. And Umtsila ne bag encane, and the she was so happy about it and whatnot. Who knows? I think maybe something positive might come out of this. Now the last two engizokhuluma ngayo, that is going to be uEsethu noPrince. About that two, uEsethu noPrince, angazi kwenzakalani. Again, kubuye kwenzeka futhi lokho. Waphuma phakathi lamabili. uPrince begejane noEsethu for some odd reason. Again, ngoba ngisho kufanele kuhlangane nemndeni. Bahlanganile ke nomndeni usisi kahle. uEsethu uhlangane nabantu bakubo. It was, I think, stepmom and then the aunt. Look, ehlangane nabo asho ukuthi akekho kumkhwena wakwenu la. Ube lasasimpahla wahamba akangihloniphi uhleze bona abantu besifazane abancoma kanjani. Bro, why? My question is, why are you doing that? Why you can there are certain things that you need to limit yourself on doing. I know I'm a partners and you need to be, open and be free, but not too free. And then why are you complimenting other women? I don't understand. But anyways, he took his bags again and then he left. Let's hope in the next episode my therapist and find out why you always feel the need of always, or the edge of always running away. Why are you always running away from problems? You need to stick to them. I mean, it's part of life. I don't understand. Anyways, uEsethu noPrince, and then we go to Nompumelelo noHlulani. They met up with friends. Let's start off there from the continuation of the previous episode. And look, from interview a lot of things came to light, and ubhuti etshela umngane wakhe ngaphandle yasho ukuthi niyabona etshela umngane wakhe ukuthi yambona unjani umuntu akangiboni umngane wakhe, of which is true. From her actions uNompumelelo, that's what she's showing ukuthi akayimisele ukuthi abe umfazi oqotho kulo bhuti, akayimisele at all. And then after that they had to meet up with Pastor X. Right? So basendladleni bahleli kamnandi, usisi upheka isapha kanjalo. Mayipheka isapha, she cooked her own favorite meal, right? Beef stew. ubhuti bandla sanda kubuya emsebenzini ambuze ukuthi hayi mfethu uma uthi ulambile you can dish up, wangamphakela wadlela phansi uSizwe wayidlela ubro waqhubeka wayibhentshela umsebenzi wafika kuPastor X uzithini bafethu hayi ku right yonke ithawu wadla wena engadli lo hayi waseyachaza ukuthi hayi bekade keep ama pork stew ama pork chops or whatever and mina bekade khali beef stew so I cooked the beef stew and then uPastor X trying to mediate, trying to resolve the situation phakathi kwabo bobabili ekhuluma amavar iyabakhulisa ngoba phela basebancane labantu. If I'm not mistaken uphume bandla she's like 24, but so uyabatshengisa ukuthi no guys akwenziwa kanje, and you cannot use your past to disguise disrespect, yabo usungaze udelele manje masuthi hey mina ngihlukumezekile, but we understand that, but also right now this is what's happening, yabo. So ebachazela yonke into nje abachazela ngayo bandla uPastor X usisi uphume wavela wasukuma and ngimbonisa ahleli phansi lapho bese futhi ihlathi ngabona ukuthi we yabhibhidla inkezo wathi sisuka nje lapho asukuma wayele ekamereni yokhanda isikhihla isililo. I don't know ukuthi ukhihlisa isililo ngobani. I fully do understand ukuthi usisi has been through a lot. I honestly do, but also do not get angry if there's someone who's trying to assist you ezokutshela ukuthi lungisa u-A u-B no-C. That's it. Ayikho enye into. Yabo, it's either ukhaliswa yilokho ukuthi lapha akafuna ukutshelwa or she's coming to realization that you know what, I'm actually not cut out for this. And then later on they also met up with their family members. At first usisi uphume ucela watshela ukuhlukana ukuthi angiboni kwisikhathi esirayithi uhlala nomndeni wami. Yabona lento leyo. It is quite a lot enzakalayo between these two. If it's not that usisi akafuna ukuthi athintwe because akalotsholiwe, I understand. I don't know who to blame on this show. Should I blame abantu ababamechayo or not? Honestly, I don't know, because here's the thing. With uNopumelelo, I feel as if azangatshelwe kahle ukuthi lalela, this is not a leading up to marriage type of a situation. Marriage at first sight means after the pastor officiates your marriage, you are gonna be acting as, or rather living and going on with life as a married couple like all other married couples. It's not a matter of you are going to start and build up your relationship towards marriage. This is not love is blind. No. Lana it's a big band and sushadil. I'm not saying she needs to give in to everything even though she's not comfortable. No. If she's not comfortable, fine. But also understand what to give. Like people tell Lord, I mean, what the hell? What the hell was that? Anyway, go figure them I don't know if Andrew can do ayana bade befikile kubo nokumelela. And look, nakhona futhi abakubo sebeyamazi usisi bayambona ukuthi kanjani. Bekade ephuma ethi uyabashela umngane wakhe akayifakile iring. Azi uma wakhe nomsisi wakhe lona uthi hawu manje iring uthi hayi ngifakele la. Uthiwa hawu uyifakele ngani? Wathi hayi ukuthi asikhulumisana lo. Kwathiwa still uyifakele ngani iring? She's busy defending ukuthi why ngayifakile iring. Waphuma ke wahamba bakhuluma nayo eminye ikhwenyana la ukuthi kwenzakalani, washo umkhaya uthi hayi ngoba nibona usahambe kahle. Yabo bathi hayi siyabona. Yabo kodwa ke bachaza ukuthi hey ngqotho naqala ngendlela eright, manje naqala ukugcinwa ngakho. Ngqotho nashaya nje kahle inkomo kushaya amaphepha kufika omalume yonke into kamnandi, bathi ke sesila asasi ufune kwenzakaleni. Wabuya usisile intabeni ade buya khona ke ade vashela umngane wakhe kanjani. Ubuya akayifakile iring. Wathi awuringi, wathi hayi ngikhumulile kanjani ade ngisizosibanibani yavele yawa wathi. Yabo and abakubo bamzama ukumtshela akafuni ukuzwa lutho. Akafuni, she feels as if she's signing her life away. This is how she feels about the marriage. I believe Usisi Bandla is not ready. I don't want to dwell on her behavior. I think Usisi Wabantu Bandla should cut her losses. She wasn't ready. She loved the idea. She loved that idea of a wedding, of a beautiful wedding. But the marriage part, she definitely was not ready for it. And abantu ube marriage or married at first sight, kumele bazame ukuyilungisa lento le ekuthenini abantu bayabacebisa and bayabadodisa ekuthenini this is what you are getting yourself into. Yabo, ilento zobidingeka. This is what it is. And compatibility is very important. It's very important. Like uhlula noNopumelelo, they are not compatible, shame. Unlike uLethabo nomuntu wakhe, bawumatseliso, they're okay. Yabo labo ke ba right, it's few. Labana ama-couple la ngibabona ukuthi mhlawumbe with time ngoba phela they are still grinding each other, besaqala ukwazana, it's only been a week. Kusawulento uLorinda no-Obren, so I have faith in them, but uhlulani nobani umpelele athi indaba yabo uPrince, indaba yesigoro bafethu, mina ngisazi indaba yesigoro sinkinga yazo anyazi. But that was the episode for today bafethu, Married at First Sight. Umzansi, please come through again on my channel. My name is Azad. Please don't forget to subscribe bafethu. Please react, comment, let's talk about the show ukuthi yini engicabanga nayo ukuthi kwenzakaleni, what does it mean.